Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we're adding a longer kickstand onto our E200 scooter.
Alright, so we're going to use this kickstand from this MX125. Flip this upside down.
Use a 6mm Allen wrench. The reason why we need this longer kickstand is because we put full suspension on our E200 scooter. So it lifted the scooter a little higher and the original kickstand wasn't able to hold the scooter upright anymore. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to undo all these screws. We're going to remove the top deck. $8mm. So I have a nut that will fit perfectly on this. We're going to use the bolt that came off the MX125 kickstand. $12mm. Alright, so the nut's rotating, so we have to grab an Allen wrench to hold the bottom bolt, keep it from rotating, so then we can tighten the nut. So this height is perfect. Check that out. Stands by itself. Let's see. This up. No, that fits so perfect. It's like it's made for it. Alright, now we have our new kickstand on. Let's go ahead and reinstall all the parts that we took off earlier.